Today's video is all about the top 5 bicycle repair toolkits, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to bike repairs and maintenance, the AAI Lucky Bike Repair Toolkit has got you covered. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to keep your bike in top shape. The portable bicycle saddlebag is not only waterproof but also has a large capacity to store all the included tools and your personal belongings. Made with 600D polyester with PU coating, it is durable and weather resistant. Inside the bag, there is even an inner pocket for better organization. The highlight of this kit is the 16-in-1 multi-tool. Made of high-quality stainless steel, it offers a wide range of functions to tackle any repair on the go. From hex keys to socket wrenches, flat wrenches, rim accessory wrenches, and even a slot driver and Phillips cross drive, you'll have all the essential tools at your disposal. No more unexpected situations will disrupt your travel plans. Additionally, this kit includes a 120 mini bicycle pump to ensure you can always inflate your tires to the ideal pressure. The self-adhesive patches will come in handy for quick tire repairs, while the Bright Bike rear light enhances your safety during night rides. The AAI Lucky Bike Repair Toolkit is an indispensable companion for bikers who value convenience and functionality. With this kit by your side, you can ride confidently knowing that any mechanical issues can be swiftly resolved. Are you tired of spending money on bike repairs? Look no further than the Bikehand Bike Repair Tool Kit. This complete kit contains 23 high-quality tools, including a torque wrench, to help you maintain your bike with ease. From tire levers to bottom bracket installation tools, this kit has everything you need to keep your bike in top shape. The torque wrench ensures that parts are tightened to manufacturer-recommended settings, preventing damage to components. Made with tough heat-treated steel, these tools are built to last. Save money and take control of your bike maintenance with the Bikehand Bike Repair Tool Kit. Philip from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Has the basics for basic bikes." Randall from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "My husband loves this repair kit since he just got a bike to ride with our son and another one to fix up." If you're an avid cyclist, you know that having a reliable bike repair kit is essential. That's why we recommend the Chunxiny Bike Repair Kit as a must-have for any mountain bike or road bike enthusiast. This comprehensive kit includes a 16-in-1 tool, a compact 120 mini bicycle pump, a bicycle tire patch kit, and more. The Chunxiny Bike Repair Bag is equipped with all the essentials you need for on-the-go repairs. It features an aluminum alloy mini bicycle pump, trackier, screws, tire patch, stainless steel bicycle levers, and more. With this high-hardness bike wrench set, you'll have the tools to handle any repair on your bike. One standout feature of this kit is the portable bike pump. Measuring just 8 inches in size, it's incredibly convenient and easy to carry with you on your rides. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable and built to last. Switching between Prester valve and Schrader valve is a breeze with its easy-to-use design. When it comes to patching up your tires, the Chunxiny Bike Patch Kit has got you covered. It includes pre-bonded tire patches that can repair punctured tires without any additional glue. Simply roughen up the damaged area of your tire with the file and firmly stick on the patch for a reliable fix. Installing the bicycle tool bag is a breeze thanks to its adjustable Velcro straps and simplified installation system. With just 2 steps, you'll have it securely attached to your bike for easy access whenever you need it. In addition to being a practical and functional tool kit, the Chunxiny Bike Repair Kit also makes for a great gift. Whether it's for Thanksgiving or Christmas, this kit is sure to impress and delight any cyclists in your life. Don't let a flat tire or minor repair ruin your ride. Be prepared with the Chunxiny Bike Repair Kit. One of the essential items every cyclist should have is a puncture repair kit, and the ProBike Tool Puncture Repair Kit is a top choice. This kit includes 3 durable tire levers made from high-strength engineered plastic, ensuring reliable performance every time. With its traditional yellow crayon, stainless steel rasp, scuffer, self-vulcanizing solution, adhesive, and heavy-duty butyl patches. You'll have everything you need to quickly fix any punctures on your ride. The stylish waterproof bag, measuring 17.7 x 14 per centimeter, is not only water-resistant but also roomy enough to store all your repair essentials. The tubeless tire repair kit from Pro Bike Tool is designed to provide long-lasting solutions and convenience for cyclists of all levels. Carrie from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Easy to use, it works." One essential item that every serious cyclist should have is the Pro Bike Tool Tubeless Bike Tire Repair Kit. This handy kit is designed to quickly and effectively fix punctures or flats in both MTB and road bicycle tires, so you can get back on the road or trail in no time. The kit includes a plugger tool and plugs, specifically 5 bacon strips and 5 black strips. These vulcanized butyl rubber plugs are perfect for sealing holes in the tire and preventing further air leakage. Whether you ride a mountain bike, road bike, hybrid, e-bike, cyclocross, gravel bike, or ATV, this repair kit is suitable for all types of bikes. It even comes with a storage canister that neatly holds the needle, plugs, and other tools. The compact and durable CNC machined aluminum capsule doubles as a handle while in use. The Pro Bike Tool Tubeless Repair Kit is not only practical but also saves your ride. If your tire is leaking air, simply use the tire reamer and insertion tool to plug the hole from the outside and then re-inflate the tire with a bike pump or CO2 inflator. It's a quick and easy fix that will keep you riding without any interruptions. Don't let a flat tire ruin your biking experience. With the Pro Bike Tool Tubeless Bike Tire Repair Kit, you'll be prepared for any punctures or flats that come your way. Keep it stored in your bike bag or backpack so you're always ready for smooth and hassle-free rides. I hope you enjoyed the top 5 bicycle repair tool kits. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.